Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is More Coins. In my last video we talked about how to register in coinmarketcap, what coinmarketcap is, and how to earn coinmarketcap diamonds and what they are used for. Now in this video we'll be talking about a lookalike of coinmarketcap, Coingecko, and in this Coingecko we're going to be talking about how to register, what is Coingecko, and how to and another lookalike of diamonds in coinmarketcap, but in this time around it is called candies, Coingecko candies. So we're going to be talking about how to register in Coingecko, how to earn Coingecko candies, and what they are used for. Please stay tuned, watch this video to the end, and please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Very, very important. So let's dive in. So what is Coingecko? That should be the question we all should be asking. Now we already know what CoinMarketCap is. Yes, and Coingecko is the same thing as CoinMarketCap. Coingecko shows real life price of coins in the market. It's just like, let me just call it a photocopy of CoinMarketCap. So Coingecko, though CoinMarketCap is a bit preferable because the owners are kind of top in the crypto space, but Coingecko is also useful in the sense of the candies. Now I'm going to be showing you how to register in Coingecko. Now to register in Coingecko is simply just simply go to coingecko.com. You can see the web address of the coingecko.com. So when you get to coingecko.com, you click on sign up. You can see sign up here, you click on sign up, and when you click on sign up it will ask you to put your details. Then you simply put your details, but I already have a Coingecko account, so I wouldn't bother signing up. I will just log in. So when you log in, sorry, this is my candies side. So when you log in, the first thing that pops up is this. Now when you log in, the first thing that pops up is this. Now you can see is almost the same thing as CoinMarketCap. The interface, the graphics, everything is almost the same thing as CoinMarketCap, just that CoinMarketCap has more features than Coingecko. When we try comparing CoinMarketCap and Coingecko, you see one of the things you can find in CoinMarketCap that is not in Coingecko is the airdrops, the learn and earn, and so many other things. But in Coingecko, there is still something you need from Coingecko, and that is the Coingecko candies, and that is why I'm making this video. Now you are successfully registered in Coingecko. Now how can you earn these candies? Now when you look at this interface, you will see a bottle filled with candies. Yeah, see it up there. Just click on that bottle of candies, and when you click on that bottle of candies, it will take you to the Coingecko candies, and you will see there my candies. It's simple, and it's very simple. You don't need to, when you come here, you don't need to register. It's something that once you are registered in Coingecko, you have access to it. So once you are here, just click on collect candies. Now when you check my history, you will see a lot of candies I've collected, and you see the ones I've even used, and you will see a lot of them. Now the question is, what is the use of this Coingecko candies? What can I use these Coingecko candies to do? And that's what I'm going to be showing you now. For you now to get, okay, just look down here, you see redeem your candies at Coingecko rewards. So just click on Coingecko rewards. When you click on Coingecko rewards, let's click there. When you click on Coingecko rewards, it will bring you to this page. Now look at so many rewards there. You can see a lot of rewards here. This one now costs 500 candies. The decentralized feature exclusive for Premier Plus users, 90% off. I'll give you a 90% off to a decentralized feature. So you can see this one 80% off, and you can see, whoa, this is the best part I love, how to NFT book. Now if you can get up to 800 candies, you can buy this book, and you can read it. Wow, can you imagine the information this book contains? That's very nice. Look at this one, how to defy bundle. How to defy bundle. This one is the bundle. This one contains a lot of things and it's 1,400 candies only. This one is how to defy advance. DeFi, we already, if you know, maybe you don't know what DeFi is. DeFi means decentralized finance. Decentralized finance. So when we talk of DeFi, we're talking about the crypto space, the cryptocurrency. So it's kind of how to cryptocurrency. That's what it's talking about. Everything about cryptocurrency. That's what DeFi is talking about. This one is how to DeFi beginners. So you can start. Maybe you are a beginner. You can just start by first of all buying this how to DeFi beginners, how to DeFi beginners. And when you buy it, you can read it up. Now we'll see how to Bitcoin. Oh, you want to know a lot of things about Bitcoin, just go there. You see this black down. You see black down. You see a lot of things. You say buy your ticket now. This is where you give you 50% off to buy this ticket. Well, so this one, coin a candy collector NFT, but this is an NFT. So what it actually means is that you can also get an NFT from Coingecko. Wow, can you see that? You can get an NFT from Coingecko. That's wonderful. And you can see a lot of things, even VPN. You can get exclusive free access to VPNs that can cost a lot of money, and you can get maybe 90% off to get it. Now another thing I want to show you, let me show you here. We have browse rewards. You can browse rewards, and then that's kind of to bring out more rewards that are there. Then in my reward, when you go to my rewards, let me show you. This is kind of a list of the rewards I've received, the list of the things I bought from Coingecko, I bought with Coingecko candies. And one of those, if you go to active rewards, active rewards is when you buy or when you use a candy to buy something you have not yet used it. Now past rewards is when you have used it. Now these are what the things I've bought. I've bought DeFi, how to DeFi beginner. I've bought it, and I bought this Coingecko 8th anniversary celebration giveaway. I bought it to participate in the giveaway. I bought in how to DeFi NFT book. I bought it, and I bought this one as well. And I bought this one as well. Yes, I got this NFT, and I have this NFT in my collections now. I wouldn't have the time. I would have showed you people now. Just trying to make this video as short as possible. So, and that is it. You can earn an NFT from Coingecko, and you can get ebooks from Coingecko, books that will make you a lot of money, books that will fetch a lot of money from Coingecko. So far, I've started reading my How to NFT book, and soon I'll be finishing it, and I'll be starting my NFT journey. So thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. This is More Coins. Click the notification button so that you can receive more videos from us. Thank you, and God bless you.